guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, go on, big up on yourself. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to safely take down your passion twist. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my content. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so we're gonna first take the scrunchie out my hair. Then I'm gonna show you how far my hair has grown in 2 weeks. Not much, but I see some inches. We're gonna use a scissors, and we're gonna use olive oil, and we're gonna need a small bottle to pour the olive oil in with a cap. First, we're gonna cut the rubber band off the passion twist, and what you want to do is to safely or securely unravel the twist, not to break your natural hair. We see some inches, guys. My hair has grown a lot. Then we're gonna take the olive oil that we pour in the bottle and place it on the rubber band. Then we're gonna take the rat tail comb and we're gonna tag at the rubber band and cut the rubber band with the scissors. And so guys, this is one method that I use to safely take down my passion twist, so not to tear and tag at my natural hair. So please continue to watch, and I'll describe the second method that I use to safely take out the rubber band from my natural hair. Guys, with this method, it can be a little tricky. So what you want to do is to get the olive oil and place it at the rubber band, and the hair is really slippery. What you want to do is to gently tug at the rubber band and take it from your hair. You have to be very careful when you're using this method. You want to make sure that enough olive oil is on the elastic band, so when you do pull at the elastic band, it slides off your hair easily. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.